Lowery doors in front of you will be opening. Please stand back from the doors as they will be opening toward you. Thank you.
You unlock this door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You just crossed over into the Twilight Zone.
Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that. On an evening very much like the one we have just witnessed. Tonight's story of the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique and calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard, because in tonight's episode, you are the star, and this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone.
Solo, right here.
Party of one right this way. You'll be on row 2.
Okay.
How many series have? I'll have you on the next one. Do I have any parties of 2? Alrighty, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Hollywood Tower Hotel. In just a few moments, your elevator will be dropping by. But before then, seatbelts are left to right and left to right only. Again, seatbelts are left to right and left to right only. Driver's luggage may stow 2 feet. Smaller items may hold onto them. That includes any money or anything that you hold near your heart that must be kept as well. At this time, if anyone has any bags on you or around you, please take them off now and hold them in your hand. Again, any bags at all on you or around you, please take them off now and hold them in your hand. We do not want anything between you and your seatbelt. Alright, my lovely pink shirt.
To our valued guests,
I love you on the
for your safety once on board,
Here. Oh, here.
remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the elevator at all times. And do take special care to supervise your children. Thank you. Estimados huéspedes, por su seguridad, una vez a bordo, por favor, permanezcan sentados y mantengan sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del elevador en todo momento. Y por favor, vigile a sus niños. Gracias.
Oh, you got the worst seat.
Oh no, best seat.
Nothing in front of you.
Oh, I like it.
Oh boy.
No, there's a door. There's a door.
Alright, you should have buckled now. There you go. Of course.
I grabbed yours.
Alright, let's do it again. Seatbelts, left, right, left, right. Oh,
I grabbed yours by accident.
Yellow,
Okay, that's fine. We're good.
little row, pull a yellow tab.
Ah, there we go.
You record this?
Yes.
Oh boy. I would drop the camera.
Nah. Been hundreds of times.
Oh wow. Are you a big Disney fan?
Yeah.
And my front row, pull a yellow tab, guys. Yellow, yellow, perfect. Yellow tab, guys. Yellow, 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 perfect. Alright, everybody, hands up. Hands up, hands up, hands up. Beautiful, thank you so much. Good time. Later. Enjoy your stay, guys. If you need anything, just scream.
Oh fuck.
One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of the elevator. That door is opening once again, and this time, it's opening for you. In the Tower of Terror. A warm welcome back to those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning. Something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
Wow. Welcome back, everyone. Check out right this way.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Daddy of Love.